Peace Elshadai, and we have Stella Maris right here in the studio. So we will get to talk about your school and your experience with your school much later, okay? So are you tensed? Are you guys tensed? Don't allow me to talk to myself. I'm looking at all of you. So are you tense? Is there tension? It's like you're writing one exam, right? So how do you feel? Let me hear from you. How do you feel? Honest. Talk to me. In the honesty of your heart. What? Your heart is beating fast. All right, so we're going to do an exercise together. And you're listening to us from home. We're going to do this together. Okay, what you'll do for me, I'm going to teach us how I usually help with my tension if I'm tensed. I don't know if they've taught you how to take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds. Have they taught you before? Let's have a conversation. Yes. So can we do it? Let's do 10 seconds. I'm going to count, so I'm not going to hold it. Okay, so let's breathe in slowly. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you breathe out. It's going to slow down your heartbeat, and you're going to do just great, okay? So now I'm going to do it this way so that we'll have a school to start with. Peace Elshadai and Stella Maris. P or S, which one comes first? P. P comes first, right? So we will start with P. If I had a coin, we would have done the coin toss. But since we don't have a coin, we're going to start with the school that their first letter comes first. Is that okay? Is that fair enough? Yes, if it's not fair, tell me, Miss Dell, it's not fair. Oh. Tell me, is it fair enough?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we will take our first question in. We have a few more seconds to the beginning of the time. Now, the rules of the quiz is you don't have a conversation, okay? Just like in your exams, you're free to use your calculators and the papers in front of you to do your math. I will read the questions twice, and after I read it twice, you have the right to respond to the question. Are we ready? Okay, so there are people that are not watching us, so you need to speak loud because it's radio, and radio we use our ears, okay? So you need to speak to the mic, and if you need any explanation and any question, you need to be able to speak loud on that. Are we ready? So let's start. Peace Elshadai. We have 25 questions, and every school is supposed to answer 10 questions in all for every subject. We have English, maths, and general knowledge. We will start with mathematics, and we have questions 1 to 25. Please pick a number. Number 10. Question 10 goes like this. If 1 packet of sugar costs X naira, what will be the cost of 20 packets? A, X naira. B, 20X naira. C, 20 naira. D, 40 naira. If 1 packet of sugar costs X naira, what will be the cost of 20 packets? A, X naira. B, 20X naira. C, 20 naira. And D, 40 naira.
B, 20X naira.
B, 20X naira is correct, and congratulations to you on getting that. Okay, so let's have the second. So we have 1 point for you on that. That's Peace Elshadai. Stella Maris, please pick a number.
Number 5.
Number 5. Question 5. The length in cm of the sides of a right-angled triangle are X, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, and open bracket, x plus 1, close bracket, where x is less than 0. Find in cm the length of its hypotenuse. I'll read that again. The length in cm of the sides of a right-angled triangle are x, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, and x plus 1, that's in a bracket, where x is less than 0. Find in cm the length of its hypotenuse. The answers: A is 4, B 5, C 13, and D 17.
Ma, can you repeat the answers?
A 4, B 5, C 13, and D 17. You have two options. You have two options on the OBJ. Oh my goodness, you were still doing the math. All right, so bonus, even though we didn't give the rules for the bonus, so we will take it out because I forgot to give the rules for the bonus. So we will take it out completely. The answer is B5. Okay, so let's go back to Peace Elshadai. Please pick a number.
Number 17.
Number 17 says, okay, let me find that. The first positive term of the AP minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 is what? The first positive term of the AP minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 in continuous is what? A minus 4, B minus 2, C 3, and D 1. You need the options again? A minus 4, B minus 2, C 3, and D 1. Okay, is it time? A timekeeper? Okay, so the answer is 1. The question, the first positive term of the AP minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 is what? And the answer is 1. All right, so let's go back to Stella Maris. Please pick a question.
Number 13.
Number 13. And number 13 says, if R is equals to 1 in a GP, if R is equals to 1 in a GP, then what is the sum to n terms? What is the sum to n terms? If R is equals to 1 in a GP, then what is the sum to n terms? Your options: n to A, that's A, B, A and n, C in bracket n minus 1, close bracket, then A, D in bracket n plus 1, close bracket, then A.
Ma, please can you repeat the options?
A, N, and A, right? N and A, B, A and N, C in bracket n minus 1, close bracket, then A, and then D in bracket n plus 1, close bracket A. Okay, so we'll have to give it a few more seconds because I took the options. Are we there? Okay. The answer, yes.
A bracket n minus 1.
Okay, A bracket n minus 1, a good attempt, but the answer is NA. Yes, the answer is NA. I'm sure that you're going to get it faster next time. All right, so let's go to Please Elshadai. Please Elshadai. Please pick a question.
Number 7.
Number 7. Number 7. A rectangle has length x cm and width x minus 1 cm. If the perimeter is 16 cm, find the value of x. A rectangle has length x cm and width x minus 1 cm. If the perimeter is 16 cm, find the value of x. Options: A, 3.5 cm, B, 4 cm, C, 5 cm, and D, 6 cm. A, 3.5 cm.
A.
Correct. Your answer is correct. All right. So let's have Stella Maris pick a number.
20.
Number 20. Number 20 says, I'm going to give you numbers and you give us the missing in the sequence. Okay? What is the missing number in the sequence? We have X, we have 101, we have 91, and we have 81. What is the missing number in the sequence? A, 111, B, 122, C, 432, and D, 108.
A, 111.
And your answer is correct. Congratulations to you. Congratulations. All right. So let's go back to Peace Elshadai.
Number 12.
Number 12. Number 12. Please listen. If first term of a GP is 20, if first term of a GP is 20 and common ratio is 4, find the fifth term. If the first term of a GP is 20 and common ratio is 4, find the fifth term. Options: A, 10240, B, 40960, C, 5120, and D, 2560.
C.
Correct. Your answer is correct. All right, so let's have Stella Maris.
Number 25.
Number 25. The sum of first 20 odd natural number is what? The first sum of first 20 odd natural numbers is what? So another way of saying it is, what is the sum of the first 20 odd natural numbers? A, 400, B, 421, C, 285, and D, 281. Do you need the options one more time?
Yes, please.
Okay. Let me quickly take the question. The sum of first 20 odd natural numbers is A, 400, B, 421, C, 281, and D, C, 285, and D, 281.
$220.
Okay, 220 wasn't part of the options. We have 221, but the correct answer is 400. Okay, well done. Yes? Sorry? No, we didn't give the rules at the beginning, so we didn't include it. Okay, that was the reason why. All right, so let's have Peace Elshadai. Oh, you got the answer correctly, so you wanted to. Okay, yes, so let's have Peace Elshadai.
Number 14.
Number 14. In GP 4, 8, 16, 32, continuous, find the sum up to fifth term. In GP 4, 8, 16, 32, and continuous, find the sum up to fifth term. Options: A, 16, B, 64, C, 128, and D, 124.
B.
No, you still have a chance. Choose carefully. You have just one more option.
Please repeat the options.
A, 16, B, 64, C, 128, and D, 124.
A.
Wrong. The answer is 124. It's D. Okay? All right, so let's have you.
Number 1.
Number 1. Solve the equation 3x plus 4y equals to 5 and 7x plus 2y equals to 8. Solve the equation 3x plus 4y equals to 5 and 7x plus 2y equals to 8. Options: A, x equals to 21 over 2 and y equals to 4. B, x equals to 41 over 3 and y equals to 31 over 2. C, x equals to 21 over 4 and y equals to 31 over 5. And D, x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 over 2.
D.
Correct. Your answer is correct. Congratulations to you. All right, so let's have Peace Elshadai.
Number 6.
Number 6. A measuring cylinder of radius 3.5 centimeters contains water to a height of 56 cm. If this water is poured into a similar cylinder of radius 14 centimeter, what will be the height of the water column? A measuring cylinder of radius 3.5 cm contains water to a height of 56 cm. If the water is poured in a similar cylinder of radius 14 cm, what will be the height of the water column? A, 3.5 cm, B, 14 cm, C, 1.7 cm, and D, 5.3 cm. Time up. All right, sorry about that. The answer to that question is 3.5 cm. Okay? All right, so let's quickly go back to Stella Maris.
Number 9.
Number 9. Water flows through a 3 cm diameter pipe at the rate of 3 meters per second. How many water flow through the pipe in 1 second, and express the flow of water as a rate in liters and minutes? Water flows through a cm diameter pipe at the rate of 3 meters per second. How many water flow through the pipe in 1 second, and express the flow of water in a rate as a rate in liters and minutes? A. 3.5 times 10 minus 2 liter per minute. B. 35350 liter per minute. C. 127.26 liter per minute. And D. 1272.6 liter per minute.
Ma, can you please repeat the options?
3.5 times 8 minus 2 liter per minute. B. 35350 liter per minute. C. 127.26 liter per minute. And D. 1272.6 liter per minute. Up there. What were you going to say? Okay, it was actually C. 127.26 is not 1272.6. Okay, so you missed it a little bit. I wish we had time, would have just explained that better. All right, so let's go back to Peace Elshadai.
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay, number 3. Factorize x2 plus 2a plus ax plus 2x. Factorize x2 plus 2a plus ax plus 2x. Options: A. Bracket, in bracket, x plus 2a and close bracket, another bracket, x plus 1. B, in bracket, x plus 2a and in bracket, x minus 1. C, in bracket, x2 minus 1, close bracket, another bracket, x minus a. And D, in bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, in another bracket, x plus a.
D.
Correct. Congratulations to you. All right, so let's have you.
22.
22. 22. Sorry, give me a second there. Question 22 says, all right, so we're going to have in bracket, okay, in bracket 3 minus 6 and under it 4 minus 7. Close bracket, minus, open another bracket, 0 minus 2 and under it minus 4, 6. Close bracket. Subtract.
Minus 4 raised to power 6.
No, it's minus 4, 6.
46.
Yes. Okay. I'm going to take the question again. Subtract 3 minus 4 in a bracket. And under it, 4 minus 7.
Wait.
Close bracket.
3 minus 4, 3 minus 6.
3 minus 6 rather. 3 minus 6 and then under it 4 minus 7, close bracket, minus in another bracket 0 minus 2, and under it minus 4, 6, close bracket. Options: 3 minus 8, and under it 0 minus 1. B, 3 minus 4, and under it 8 minus 13. C, minus 3, 8, under 0, 1. D, 3 minus 8, under minus 8, 1.
Can you take the options again?
A, oh dear, it's actually A, 3 minus 8, under 0 minus 1. B, 3 minus 4, under 8 minus 13. C, minus 3, 8, under 0, 1. And D, 3 minus 8, under minus 8, 1. And the answer is 3 minus 4 and under 8 minus 13. You're nodding. You actually got something like that? Similar. Oh, okay. But you should have attempted. Okay? Next time, just don't keep it to yourself, since you know that you have just 30 seconds. Okay? Always give it a try. All right? Yes. Let's have Peace Elshadai.
Number 2.
Number 2. Number 2. A motorist drives for M hours at 120 kilometers per hour and end hours at 18 kilometers per hour. Altogether, he drives 78 kilometers in 5 hours. Find M and N. A motorist drives for M hours at 120 kilometers per hour and N hours at 18 kilometers per hour. Altogether, he drives 78 kilometers in 5 hours. Find M and N. A, 3 hours and 3 hours. That's M and N. B, 2 hours and 3 hours. C, 4 hours and 1 hour. And D, 3 hours and 2 hours. Oh dear. We're still calculating, right? Sorry about that. The answer is B, 2 hours. M is 2 hours and N is 3 hours. Okay? All right, so let's hear from you.
23.
23 goes like this. What are the dimensions of this matrix? What are the dimensions of this matrix? On the left-hand side, you have 1, 3, 5. On the right-hand side, you have 2, 4, 6. Vertical. Arrange them vertically. So you have on your left-hand side in a bracket, you have 1, 3, 5. Right? On your right side, you have 2, 4, and 6 in a bracket. All of them in a bracket. So you arrange vertical on this side, vertical on this side, 1, 3, 5, and on the right side, 2, 4, 6. Okay? Now, what you are to do is to find the dimensions of the matrix. Options: A, 2 times 3. B, 3 times 2. C, 6 times 1. and D, 1 times 6. What are the dimensions of this matrix?
Ma, can you repeat the options?
2 times 3, that's A. B, 3 times 2. C, 6 times 1. And D, 1 times 6.
3 times 2.
3 times 2 is correct. Congratulations to you. All right.
Number 3.
Number 3. And number 3 goes like this. Factorize. Factorize. I thought we've taken this number earlier. I think we have. Yes, we have. So pick another number.
Number 5.
Number 5. The length in cm, we have taken number 5 as well. Yes, so we've not taken, let me read the numbers that we've not taken. We've not taken 7, we've not taken 8, we've not taken 11. Yes, we've not taken 11 as well. And we also have, yes, these are the ones that are available. And then we also have number 18. Number 18 is not taken as well.
Number 11.
Number 11. All right, so let's take number 11. There are 572 students in a mixed school. There are 572 students in a mixed school. 5 over 11 of them are boys. How many girls are there? 572 students are in a mixed school. 5 over 11 of them are boys. How many girls are there? A, 260. B, 52. C, 512. And D, 312.
D.
Check again. Check again. You're actually correct. It's actually correct. Okay, thank you so much. All right, I think from the quiz master, from our timekeeper rather, how many more questions do we need to answer? One question for each group, right? If I'm correct. We have 10 questions. Have we all answered the 10 questions? One for each of the schools?
Yes.
All right. So let's go to Stella Maris.
Number 7.
Number 7. Number 7. A rectangle has a length x cm and a width. We've taken that one, right? I'm trying to find the questions that we've not taken that one. Yes.
Number 25.
Number 25. We've taken 25, but we have 24.
Number 24.
24. Okay, so I want to give you more than one option so that you can pick from. We have 24, and we also have number, sorry, just give me a second. Let me get that. We also have number 15. So we have 24, we have 15.
Number 24 stick.
Sorry?
Number 24.
You still stick to your choice of
Yes.
24. Okay. What must be true in order to add two matrices? What must be true to add two matrices? I don't think that needs calculation, right? It's something, it's a rule, it's a mathematical rule. What must be true in order to add two matrices? A, they must be square. B, the dimensions and size must be equal. C, the determinant can't equal 0, and D, the column of the first must equal the row of the second. I'll read the question again. What must be true in order to add two matrices? A, they must be square. B, the dimension and size must be equal. C, the determinant can't equal 0. And D, the column of the first must equal the row of the second.
The determinants must not equal 0.
Okay, not correct. Please think again. And you can give me either A, B if you can't read it all through.
B.
B is correct. Congratulations. All right, so the final question now for 15, right? So we have 15. Let me read that. The sum of the first three terms of a GP is 21 over 2, and their product is 27. Find the common ratio. The sum of the first three terms of a GP is 21 over 2, and their product is 27. Find the common ratio. A, 2. B, 1 over 2. C, 2 or 1 over 2. And D, neither 2 nor 1 over 2. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 21 over 2, and their product is 27. Find the common ratio. A, 2. B, 1 over 2. C, 2 or 1 over 2. And D, neither 2 nor 1 over 2. C, 2 or 1 over 2 is correct, and congratulations to you. All right, so I'm going to give space to our timekeeper, and she's going to give us the scores. And goodness me. Oh, your final question? Really? What did I do? I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me for doing that. I'm so cautious of time, and with time has been fast spent. All right, so we have question 8 is available. Okay, we have question 8 is available, and question 4 is available as well.
8.
Question 8. Solve the equation 2a2 minus 3a minus 27 equals to 0. Solve the equation 2a2 minus 3a minus 27 equals to 0. Options: A, 3. Sorry? Yeah.
Is it A squared?
No,
2A2.
it's 2a2.
Okay.
2a2 minus 3a minus 27 equals to 0. Our options: A, 3 all over 2 and 9. B, minus 3 over 2 and 9. C, 3 and 9 over 2. And D, minus 3 and 9 over 2. Solve the equation 2a2 minus 3a minus 27 equals to 0. A, 3 over 2 and 9. B, minus 3 over 2 and 9. C, 3, 9 over 2, and D, minus 3, 9 over 2. Okay, the answer is minus 3 9/2. Did you get anything similar? Oh, did you get anything similar? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, but what happened?
Hmm?
What happened?
I don't finish.
You didn't finish. Okay. I think what we can do is if we are in a hurry and we're getting something similar, we can attempt, right? So that our time doesn't go and we've not given, because sometimes it's good to attempt and not let it pass. Okay? Well done, guys. And you know the definition of a champion. And do you know the difference between a champion and a winner? A winner wins once, but a champion is somebody that has been there. Okay? Why am I saying that? You are here already, you are a champion, because you've gone through some rigorous training today. Am I correct? All right, so we'll take a short break. It is still the QUIZARD show. We have a sponsored program coming up, and after that, then we will get back to you. It is the QUIZARD show, and my name is Dell. Please stay.